foul ball.
Oof. 0-2. How many outs do you get?
You get 3 outs. How many outs?
No,
you
you
have?
get 1 out.
Yeah, you get 1.
Okay, yeah, 1 out.
Okay, hurry up, come on.
Eddie, throw me a curve.
Bunt, cover.
You can't.
It's
Yeah,
hit.
bud.
Yeah,
There's
he's
no
got a
empty
man
net.
on first and second.
Runner in first and second.
Get that, cover. It's covered.
Oh, you're
Yeah.
out.
You're out.
Am I fielding?
Yeah.
It's 5-0, Andrew. Beat this.
Just, he's gonna get a home run. I guarantee it.
Bottles. Firecrackers.
Fastballs.
Yeah, they're fastballs in this game, Eddie. That was
Oh,
That's straight.
I didn't see it.
Was it
That's straight. That's 1-0, Michael. If it goes
It's
past
5-1.
you. Yeah, 5-1. Bunt.
All right, let's not hitting at me.
There, big guy.
I didn't actually mean to.
That's a bad pitch, you're right. Get that. Oh,
Where'd that go? Is that a home run?
It's above the house, so I can see the smoke.
Okay.
Get that, Michael, get that. Ooh, he just caught that, too.
No, thank
That's a
you.
base hit.
Oof.
I have 2 people on, right?
Yeah.
1, 5, 2 people on.
Eddie, throw it fast. I still could have had that.
I'm trying.
Don't throw him so high.
Cover.
Yes!
I tried to make the play.
Bases loaded.
My sand wouldn't come off as much.
Bases loaded.
Cover. Yeah, he's out.
Did he?
Yep, he covered it.
It didn't go off.
But I covered it because it didn't go off.
He covered it.
All right, 5-1.
Oh, the base is loaded.
Good job, Andrew. You're good.
Grand Slam would have tied up the score.
All right, what's the score? 1-5?
Yeah.
Grand Slam, they would have tied it up.
This one's a short piece, just so you know. I'll try and pull it out for him. There we go.
Okay, so this one's going to be a bunt.
No.
Eddie, if you stop there, stomp it, and that counts.
It's right there. Get that cover. It's right there, Andrew. Cover it. Didn't go off.
Covered.
Out.
You're out.
Dang it!
Mike, you blow.
What's the score? Scoreboard?
Well, now the base is loaded.
But you got out.
You just wait.
Wait for what?
Hold on. Is it on right now? Pause it real quick or something.